It's the black people's anthem of summer. Linen is the black people's anthem of summer. You let me know I'm wrong. Because one thing you're going to see is an all-white party. And the black people is coming in their linen, their best linen, okay? And please believe the white linen button-up is going to be a main feature of that party. So, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Nateanah, and this is Millennial Momming, where we celebrate the woman behind the mom. So today I got a good one for you. We are talking the summer essential piece that is going to transition you from spring to summer and into fall. And it is the linen piece. It is the linen button-up. The linen button-up is going to get you right and tight as we transition right out of spring into summer. I'm going to show you 5 different ways you can style it up, style it down, style it left, style it round. Okay? It's going to keep you cool. It's going to do all the things, and we're going to get right into it. Throughout this video, I'm going to be showing different places and spaces that you can wear a linen white button-up and how you can wear it. I'm not going to too much talk about how I styled it. I'm just going to kind of let the images speak for themselves. But as I'm talking, you can just really kind of just see yourself and place yourself where you see yourself being able to wear the white button-up and how you can incorporate it into your everyday life. Okay, so the number one reason why I love a linen button-down shirt, and to be specific, a white linen button-down. Now you can do, they come in varied colors. I love a pink. I love that varsity blue. I love a yellow linen button-up, but it's something about a crisp white linen button-up that it looks so rich, mom. It gives rich vibes. It gives rich auntie vibes. Whatever phase of life you're in, it's going to give you rich. Linen, period, is going to give you rich. But if you have any one staple of linen in your closet, let it be a linen button-down shirt. White linen button-down shirt. Now, the one that I'm going to be styling is not available. I have been hunting and stalking H&M to see when it's going to come back in stock, but it has not. But I had to show you my favorite linen white piece just so that I can be transparent and really honest with you guys. So I love this white linen button-up. As you're going to see, it has a gold hardware on the neck as well as on the sides of the sleeves. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the number one reason why I love a white button-up, linen button-up for summer is its versatility. It is so versatile. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to church, you can wear it to the pool as an over of the swimsuit. You can wear it to a barbecue. I mean, you can wear it to run errands. It's so versatile, and it is the black people's anthem of summer. Linen is the black people's anthem of summer. You let me know I'm wrong. Because one thing you're going to see is an all-white party. And the black people is coming in their linen, their best linen, okay? And please believe the white linen button-up is going to be a main feature of that party. With its versatility, you can wear it a lot of places. And that's what we want to do in our closet, is have something that can last us for multiple occasions, multiple years, long-standing, so that we're not just shopping, buying, okay? So number one reason, versatility. Number 2, the breathability. The breathability of linen is unmatched. So, because many of you might be wondering, why would I wear a long sleeve shirt in the summer? Because it's cool and comfortable. Have you ever seen a regal looking woman come into the grocery store in the middle of summer and she has on trousers and a white crisp linen shirt? It's because she's cool, calm, and confident, okay? She's comfortable in that cool linen, and it's whatever it's in that fabric. I don't know the science of it, but all I know is going to keep you cool. It's a perfect layering piece at the pool. If you're have your swimsuit on and you need a cover up, you didn't go buy an actual cover up, a linen top is perfect. It also doesn't soak up sweat the way cotton and other fabrics do. So in the summer, it just keeps you cool, dry, and comfortable. Number 3 is that linen, you're going to find linen everywhere. It's going to be available. It's going to be available all spring and summer and into fall. And easily you can find linen pieces year round, because you really can wear linen year round. It just is more of a spring and summer piece because it's that fabric that's going to keep you cool during those hot months. Now, you can talk about high price points all the way down to Shein. You are going to find linen everywhere. And that really is a major piece for those of us who have different budgets when we're shopping. You can find linen dresses, linen pants, linen two-piece tops, a vest and a bottom. I mean, the choices are endless. But we focusing today on the white button-up, the linen white button-up, and you honestly can find it anywhere. Number 4 reason why a white linen button-up is that girl for spring and summer, especially, is because it's timeless. I talked about the Regal woman in the grocery store. It's something about that. It just richens up your outfit. You're immediately going to be elevated. Your look is going to be immediately elevated, and you're going to be like, oh, who is she? Where's she going? That's cute. I know that's right. Immediately. And we love that for us. Don't need to really beat that too much into a pulp, but we love that. Now, y'all know I'm going to always keep it a buck with y'all. The only reason why I can hear y'all now saying, oh, I don't like to wear linen because it wrinkles. Yes, we know, but this is the one pass we're going to give you. We're going to give you a pass on the linen because, yes, as soon as you get in the car to go wherever you're going, after you done gave all your muscle and all your strength to iron that bad boy out, it's going to wrinkle. She's not faithful in that way. She's not faithful in that way. Her loyalty does not lie there. But even with the wrinkles, we know you tried. Okay, and it's the one thing that you can get away with, and it still looks good. Now, I would not say don't iron the shirt. Let's not get crazy. Let's not get crazy and just throw on a wrinkled linen white shirt from the washing machine. Let's not go there. But we will forgive you if you're looking at a little wrinkle, because we know linen gonna do what it do. But we can also tell if you tried or if you didn't. So I feel like I gave you a lot of different variations of ways and places to wear the white button-up. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you like videos like this where I give, 5 or 6 different styles in one piece. Or do you like a whole variation of different items? Let me know. We're glowing and growing on this channel. We're not quiet about it. And I want you to talk to me so I can talk to you. Please do all the things. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you next time. Love you, mean it.